In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of backing up GoDaddy email data using the RecoveryTools GoDaddy Backup tool. To install our GoDaddy Backup tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. Here, users will see the email source selection panel on the left side. GoDaddy email option for standard GoDaddy IMAP email accounts. GoDaddy Office 365 option for Microsoft 365 accounts hosted by GoDaddy. GoDaddy Exchange Server option for exchange-based corporate mailboxes. To begin, select the correct option based on your account type. Enter your GoDaddy Office 365 email address. If you have a GoDaddy admin account, you can click on I am admin option and batch backup mailboxes. Click the login button to proceed. A new window will open on screen to log in your GoDaddy Office 365 account. Select the folders for backup using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. The split PST option divides emails and creates new PST files based on the assigned file size. Change language option to map source and destination folders when mailbox folder languages differ. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Click on Change button to select the location. Go to Filter Options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the conversion, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Go back to Backup option. Next, simply click the Backup button, and the backup process will begin. Once the backup is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the backup process was successful. Click OK and open the destination folder to access the newly backed up files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.